Hello, I have a thrift haul and a Lemax Haunted Toy Factory review to do, but I was going to show you this mirror that I repainted. This is the one I got for free in the neighborhood sale that was silver, kind of blingy. And I just mixed up some kind of cream colored paint. I was trying to kind of match this and my sconces a little bit. And I painted it solid, and then I just went in with a light wash of kind of a burnt umber or burnt sienna mixed thin wash to age it a little bit. So I think it came out pretty good. I like it. There's the full Magilla here. So I think that came out pretty good. So I'll be right back with the rest of my haul. Also, I was going to show, this is that end table that I got for free, and I cleaned it up. I replaced the handle on the bottom because, well, I switched it. One handle had a broken piece of Bakelite. It was this one. See, that was broken. I can't figure out how to do anything with it, so I just stuck that here. And I had this handle, and I just put records in it. For now, this is how it landed. Just to keep my records in it and to put a little bit of storage in there. Next storage. So that's how those two worked out. Yeah, I got my record player there, so I keep my record. I had them on the floor, so anything's better than that. So I went to Salvation Army, and most everything was 50% off. I had a 25% off coupon, excuse me, for this one. Mr. Retros takes the old LPs and copies them on. What is that machine you have? He has a machine that does it.
It's one of those old record players. You know,
yeah, it's one of those.
Has that capability.
Yeah, and it turns them into files and burns them onto CDs, and then we can play them. That Expedition has a CD player in it, so it works out nicely. So we got these 25% off because this was later date. I think it was everything from July 27th or something. So that was a good deal on that. Usually you just find the DVDs. Oh, I got these. I'm always needing 25 watt bulbs. Oh, these were half price, so I got them for $2. Yeah. I'm always using those for one thing or another. And I got this Starbucky cup. Was half price, so that was $1.50. It's in nice shape. It's pretty and a nice size. And Mr. Retro's got a shirt. Ooh, Neiman Marcus. So it was $5 1/4.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a nice shirt. Is it long sleeves?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice long sleeves. It feels new. Yeah, this hasn't been washed even. Very nice. You never know. And then I got a shirt. It's just $3.75. It's just a shirt to wear as a jacket. Shirt. And then I got a house coat. This is a heavier house coat. This was $3.75 as well. Just, they need to be washed. It's just a regular old house coat. And what else did I get?
Oh, I got that. It's only a buck.
The buck.
I've never seen it.
Oh, you haven't seen that?
No.
You have to, because I saw it. I wouldn't have watched it on my own.
Well,
yeah, anyway, we'll see it again. And I got this stuff. This has, this was half price. Beach hair. Beach hair is just a texturizing liquid that you put on your hair. It needs to be put in a different dealie, but, and then this one is a curling, setting lotion. They call it Curl Power. This setting lotion is what that means. So this was $2, so I'll give it a try.
What's this supposed to do?
Texturize your hair.
Oh,
make it more, give it a little oomph.
Yeah.
So we'll see. I don't know. It looks like something they would sell on HSN. So we'll get for $2. I'll give it a try. And then I got this Roseville candle holder. I remember back in the day, this Roseville stuff was commanding a lot of money, and so I got it for $1.99. And it should be marked. Oh yeah, you can. I don't know if you can pick that up. Yeah, it says Roseville. I can't really read the numbers, but I know it's Roseville.
Yeah.
But I thought it was kind of pretty, you know, for $2. It's okay. Then we went to my Goodwill.
South Lake Union.
The South Lake Union that I really like. I got this neat lamp for $7.99. It's got little lighty lights there. And it bends for task lighting. Yes, yes. But I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I really like it. And when it's got a USB type pluggy. Okay, so here it is. Pretty good. See? That's pretty good. I mean, you can really see.
Yeah, it's
nice.
cool.
It's kind of nice even. Yeah. That's kind of nice. This might be nicer than my other spotlight. It's lovely. Oh, and these flowers here, those are from Dollar Tree bulbs. Finally.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The
Nice.
gladiolas. So, those paid off. And, okay, what else did I get? Oh, yeah. This is a water dish for the pet pigs for down at the beach. It was, where is it? It was like $2.99. But I have 2 white ones here that I use. I like this style. See, and it's got these things so it's easy to pick up too, which helps.
Easy to clean.
Yeah, it makes it easier to clean everything. And we got these. Take down the beach from. They were $3.99. Oh, 30% off. So it was like $3. They were $10. Oh, and they're tall. Yeah.
Yeah,
Are they tall?
ones.
Or are they?
Yeah, they are, I
No,
think.
I don't think they are. I think there might be 2 layers. Oh yeah, they are. Oh yeah, they go way down. Oh, fancy. I'm gonna use them on my octopus candle holder down at the beach. So we've got a plan on that one. And, this was 30% off. Yay! Ooh, I did need these. Oh, it's a whole. This is cool. Sarah Country. Anyway, it's a whole pack of big safety pins, which I needed for something. Now I don't remember what it was. And snaps and zippers. My favorite. So I got 4 zippers and 2 things of snaps and some bias tape and things for $3. That's a good deal. I always need snaps. And then I got this thing of wax melts for, where the heck is it? Oh, $4. Let's see what's in there. Hercules. Skills. Pumpkin spice, not my favorite, but
Use it anyway.
I'll use it anyway, yeah. I'm sorry. Oh, that does smell kind of good. You smell it.
Yeah,
We've used because I use them here and I use them down on the beach. What's this? Eskimo Kiss. Ooh, that Scentsie's good.
Sounds good.
Yeah, let's see what that smells like. It smells kind of good. It's sort of soft. Very soft. Like an Eskimo's Kiss, I guess.
Yeah, like an Eskimo.
Yeah. I don't know where they came up with that. Or Ori Gold Peach. Oh, this is Harry and David. That's a good brand, too. They sell them on QVC. Ew. It's sort
Yeah,
of,
that's strange.
yeah, sort of, I don't know.
We'll see.
I'll say to
Use it.
use it. What's this one? Tuscany candy corn. Wow, Tuscany
What?
candy corn. Yeah, it's sort of, I don't know. It's just wonderful.
Candy corn in Tuscany.
Tuscany. Yeah, remember when I went trick-or-treating in Tuscany?
Yeah. All the candy
Got all
corn.
that candy corn from everybody. You know. Oh, what's this? Party Light is a good brand too. What is this? Peppermint Snow. Peppermint's usually kind of nice. This is a big one. Yeah, this smells kind of okay.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, that smells kind of nice. So, you know, that's pretty good for $4. I got 5 of these. They had these singly and they were charging $2 a piece. So this was a better deal. And, and my favorite thing I got. I wonder. I just ended up down there. It's a really nice vintage Lemax base. See. I thought that was really pretty. Sort of a creamy pink with the gold. This is a nice motif. And it's marked on the bottom. Can you see that?
Upside down. Yeah.
Oh. There it is. There you go. Makes me wonder what else they had in this line.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
That's cool.
It's this really nice style to that. So that was fun. And then I got this. Oh boy, you go down these rabbit holes on this
The interweb.
on this YouTube. That's like, oh, I'll just see what that Michael's store walkthrough is. Let's just see what they have that's new. Oh boy. Then I'm ordering, next thing you know, I'm ordering this baby. This is Lemax Spooky Town, but it's a Michael's exclusive. I got 20% off and free shipping, and I didn't have to go in the store, which is a plus. It's getting to the store here is icky. So this is the nice box, and the boxes are nice. They have a custom-made styrofoam holder thingy in them, so don't throw the boxes away if you get one. Here it is. This beauty. And let's see. It's the back. It's got a lot of detail.
And it's
They have some
real.
yeah, it's well made. It's lighter. It's not porcelain. It's like plastic or resin. They have some really nice things out this year. They have a construction one. They have they have a graveyard party one.
That's a cool
Oh, it's nice. But this one had a lot going on with it. I'll turn it on here. Here it is. It's a good switch. And it's, you know, they have this weird garbled audio that I usually just shut off. Because, you know, it's just kind of goofy. Yeah. It's got lights, and you can kind of move these a little bit. It's Hideous Harry's Toy Factory. There's a clown, and there's a brain. And so you can see the scale. It's very small. And here's I guess these are the parts they're making
a hideous toy.
Stuff out of.
Hideous.
Hideous. It is hideous. There. Turn the sound off.
And it's got lights.
Yeah. Oh, this one's neat. See, what sold me was Frankenstein's head. I really like.
And then it's got lights.
And it's got lights up above.
Lights.
Yeah. That's nice.
This clown, crashing on it.
And then the side, you can see in there.
So that's cool.
But there's some, they have some nice stuff. The construction one is neat. It's got a clown biting a big power line, and there's an ectoplasm one with a witch. Oh yeah, welder.
Yeah, it's really cool.
There's the Black Cat Jazz Club is cute. There's a house that has big pumpkins on either side, and they spin around. I thought I'd get this one.
But they're around $100.
Yeah, around $100.
So they're not giving them away.
No, but It's
But
nice.
still,
yeah,
that's cool.
it's nice to see his. I do wish his eyes would light up,
Yeah.
but I think we'll be okay. I think we'll live, but it's
Yeah.
got a lot. So I think that's all I have for today. So I'll see you later. Bye from Hideous Harry's.